What is this? You can find sticks like these selling online for hundreds of pounds and sometimes even more. But why? Why do people want this wood that sounds like rain? And more importantly, could you sell this? Because this is more than just a piece of wood. This is atmosphere and magic. And in a little while, you'll understand why people stop, listen, and buy. But before we dive into the rain stick, let me show you something beautiful. Now this is the kind of product that most retailers completely underestimate. They look at it and they think, interesting little shaker, but this is not what customers experience. They hear nature, they hear movement, they hear something ancient. These are natural pangi seeds, carefully threaded together by artisans in Indonesia. And the moment somebody touches them, the sale has already begun. Because interactive products are so powerful. They're not just another mug or candle. These create sound, and sound travels across the room. Suddenly, people are stopping in their tracks and they're paying attention. Now it has emotion and now it sells. Here's the thing, don't just sell them as seed shakers, sell them as a sound immersion. Suddenly you can see how they could work in yoga studios, in meditation rooms, therapy spaces, spiritual shops, or maybe calming home interiors. Now they have emotion and now they sell. Most products sit quite passive on the shelves, waiting to be noticed, but not these. And this is why these truly do well, because they rattle, they echo, they move, they create atmosphere. Your customers don't know it, but they're craving a moment of calm, ritual, mindfulness, sensory experience, things that feel authentic. And these enable customers to connect with them on an emotional level. Now this is where we dive deeper. And these sell really well. This is where sound becomes ceremony. The spirit of the bear, the spirit of the eagle, and the spirit of the wolf.
Can you be better? Can you be known?
These are more than just drums. These are totems of mystery and magic. The spirit of the wolf represents instinct and the wild path. The eagle sees clearly from above all the noise. And the bear holds grounding, strength, and protection. One drum up on the wall changes a whole room. And one beat, and suddenly customers are imagining being in healing spaces, festivals, music, creativity. You want them to chase that feeling, the emotion of that beat. Now here's a brilliant retail trick. Place them upright like they are here, maybe they're even hanging slightly. Or having some that customers can grab with the stick, the drumstick right next to it. Have a sign saying, try one heartbeat. One beat, that's all, for customers to connect, to emotionally connect, and that is what drives the sale. One beat, that's all. Don't make the common retailer mistake of splitting everything up. Drums over there, the shakers here, maybe the rain sticks hidden somewhere else. Bring them together. Create a world. Call the display rain, rhythm, rituals, or the sound of the earth, or ancient sounds for modern calm. Now your customers know the story, and stories sell better than shelves. Build an atmosphere. Have the drums standing tall. Maybe you've got the seed rattles hanging naturally, soft lighting, incense nearby, calm music. Now your display becomes an experience. And this increases basket value because your customers are now encouraged to explore. So back to the mystery. So why are rain sticks so expensive? These, you can feel already, are made of a premium material. These are made of a rare Manglid wood, which allows these to work so well. And it requires a musician to tune the sound of the instrument. Do you hear that? That's not fast. That is asking you to slow down. So the next time someone asks, "What are these?" you can smile and say, "It's a little bit of a rainforest that you can take home." I'm Holly. This has been Can You Sell This? And yes, you absolutely can.